Keechee sent me their ambidextrous bread knife, and I am so daggum excited. I have needed a bread knife for a long time. Every time I've cut my loaves before with my old bread knife, it just squishes my loaf, and it makes me so sad after I did all that work. I could never get it precise to where every slice was the same width. So this is their bread knife. It is made of bamboo. It's beautiful. So the thing that makes this special is it has this adjustable bar right here. You can adjust it with these two screws. You've got your measurements here on the top. You've got a 1/4 inch thick, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, a whole inch, and then a 1 3/4 inch. So you can measure your bread so you get that perfect slice every single time. The other really great thing about this knife, it is an ambidextrous knife. So if you're left-handed or right-handed user, you can both use it. It comes pre-assembled for a right-hand user, but it has these little screws here on the side where you can take them off and flip the blade around, and then it can be for a left-hand user. How cool is that? Now, this cannot be put in the dishwasher, but you're only cutting bread with this, right? So shouldn't need to. It does come with a cloth to wipe down your blade with, get all your crumbs off, and then just store it. It comes with this little hanger, nice hanger, so you can hang it up somewhere to keep it stored nice and safe. Let's test this out. I got me a good little loaf I've just finished baking. So I've got mine adjusted to the 3/4 inch right there. We're going to try it and see. Yeah, that's nice. It's nice and smooth. It glides through my bread. So easy. Yes, I am in complete love with this. This is what I've been missing my whole life right here. Now when we eat our sandwiches, they're not going to fall apart and they're not going to be one too thin, one too thick. All right, I'm tired of waiting. Sorry, you're going to have to watch me eat this because it's in that perfect spot where it's still very warm and it's dying. It needs some butter and some honey. Oh, yep. This has definitely changed my bread making game. And I'm going to put the link for this down in the description below if you want to get you one too.